Exercise 1. Seated dumbbell weighted biceps curl. Holding one dumbbell vertically with both hands targets the biceps peak and inner head by maintaining tension at the top. Being seated minimizes momentum, helping strict form. Keep elbows tucked, wrists stacked, and squeeze hard at the peak for full contraction. Exercise 2. Dumbbell Tate press targets the triceps inner and long heads through a unique inward press motion. Elbows stay flared out, avoiding shoulder activation. Control the negative to keep tension on the triceps. Ideal for sculpting tricep shape and finishing a workout with slow, strict reps. Exercise 3. Dumbbell standing inner biceps curl. Slightly turning the dumbbells outward targets the inner biceps and enhances separation. Keep your posture tall and elbows tight to your torso. Focus on strict curls without swinging. Squeeze and pause at the top, then lower slowly for full fiber activation. Exercise 4. Dumbbell incline triceps extension. Lying on an incline creates a deep stretch on the triceps long head. Keep your elbows fixed and close together to isolate tension. Lower the dumbbells behind your head slowly, then extend without locking elbows. Focus on full range and smooth control. Exercise 5. Dumbbell squatting concentration curl performed in a squat stance. This move fixes your elbow against the thigh to fully isolate the biceps, helps reduce cheating and improve mind-muscle connection. Slow the tempo, squeeze at the top, and avoid shoulder involvement for maximum bicep stress. Exercise 6. Pike-to Cobra push-up. This advanced body weight move targets triceps, shoulders, and upper back through a dynamic flow. Elbows stay close during the transition, keeping triceps under load. Move slowly, use breath control, and focus on pushing from the arms rather than the chest or hips. Exercise 7. Barbell prone incline curl. Lying on an incline bench eliminates momentum, isolating the biceps through the entire motion. Keep your arms hanging straight and curl only with elbow flexion. Hold the contraction at the top and lower under control. Builds thickness and strict peak tension. Exercise 8. Dumbbell seated kickback. Sitting down eliminates momentum, allowing full triceps isolation. Keep the upper arm parallel to the floor and extend only at the elbow. Squeeze hard at lockout to engage the long head. Perform with light weight and strict form for deep burn and long head activation. Exercise 9. Dumbbell one-arm hammer preacher curl. Focuses on brachialis and brachioradialis while supporting the arm on a pad to eliminate cheating. Maintain a neutral grip and strict form. Curl slowly and control the descent to maximize tension and forearm involvement. Great for building arm density. Exercise 10. Cross arms push-up shifts emphasis to the inner chest and triceps. Crossing arms narrows hand placement, forcing triceps to work harder during the push. Keep core tight and elbows tucked. Press through palms and pause at the bottom to increase time under tension on chest and triceps. Exercise 11. Dumbbell standing reverse curl. With palms facing down, this curl targets the brachialis and forearms. Keep wrists straight and elbows fixed. Lift slowly to avoid shoulder assistance, best used for arm width and forearm size. Emphasize the squeeze at the top and control during descent. Exercise 12. Cable overhead triceps extension. Excellent for hitting the long head of the triceps through a stretched overhead position. Keep elbows locked in and avoid flaring. Use a light rope for range and form. Stretch deep at the bottom and squeeze at the top to maximize triceps engagement. Exercise 13. Barbell Curl, a fundamental mass builder for the biceps. Keep elbows at your sides and avoid swinging. Focus on curling through the biceps, not shoulders. Use a full range of motion with a controlled tempo. Great for overall biceps thickness when performed with moderate weight and precision. Exercise 14. Barbell JM bench press, hybrid between a close grip bench press and a skull crusher, targeting triceps, especially the long head. Lower the bar in a J-curve motion, not to the chest. Elbows stay tucked. Best done with moderate weight to prevent shoulder strain and maximize triceps tension. Exercise 15. Dumbbell standing biceps curl. Classic move that targets both biceps heads. Keep your back straight and elbows at your sides. Lift with control, avoiding movement. Supinate the wrists fully for peak contraction. Perfect for building balanced size and strength when done with strict form. Exercise 16. Triceps Dip. Primarily targets the triceps, especially the lateral and long heads. Keep your torso upright and elbows tight to avoid shifting load to the chest. Lower slowly to at least a 90-degree elbow bend, then push up with triceps force. Keep feet elevated to increase difficulty and focus. Exercise 17. Cable squatting curl. This move combines a squat hold with a cable curl to target the biceps under continuous tension. Holding the squat stabilizes the lower body and forces strict biceps form. Keep elbows stationary and curl slowly. Great for improving time under tension and biceps isolation. Exercise 18. Lever seated dip. Isolates the triceps while minimizing shoulder stress. Keep your back pressed against the pad and focus on locking out the elbows, using only triceps force. Avoid using the chest by maintaining an upright torso. Best performed in moderate reps, with a steady, controlled tempo. Exercise 19. Dumbbell seated hammer curl. Targets the brachialis and forearms with added strictness due to seated position. Keeps your torso fixed and minimizes cheating. Curl both arms simultaneously with a neutral grip. Squeeze at the top and control the descent for full engagement and arm thickness. Exercise 20. Barbell lying tricep extension, also known as skull crushers. This move heavily recruits all three triceps heads, especially the long head. Lower the bar to just behind the forehead and extend without locking elbows. Keep elbows in place for optimal targeting and use moderate loads for safety. Exercise 21. Lever preacher curl. Preacher pad eliminates momentum and focuses tension on the biceps peak. Full extension at the bottom maximizes stretch, while the lever machine provides constant resistance. Slow, controlled reps help build the biceps with precision and maximum contraction at the top. Exercise 22. Dumbbell standing triceps extension. Best for isolating the long head of the triceps. Keep elbows close to the head and avoid flaring. Extend fully without locking joints. Standing allows a natural range of motion and deeper stretch. Use a single dumbbell or alternate arms for focused overload. Exercise 23. Bench dip on floor. Uses body weight to target the triceps, especially when legs are extended or weighted. Hands on a bench behind you create a deep stretch at the bottom. Elbows should stay tight and vertical to emphasize triceps activation. Control the tempo to avoid momentum or shoulder strain.